Bro. Don't zoom in on me, I'm spitting up right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, what's up? My name is Bella. Today is a very special day because I'm going to the beach with my friends. This is Rachel. She just picked me up, and we are at Tropical Smoothie Cafe. So let's go.
Yeah.
Which one did you get?
I got the mango magic smoothie.
Yes. I got the sunrise sunset.
Ooh, yum. And you got a salad? Chicken.
Chicken. What's that one guy, like that dolphin that like kidnapped and like took a guy to the city?
Oh my gosh. That looks like my dad.
Yeah.
I don't think it looks right. Why's my chin sticking out?
The fit. So cute. Oh, yes. Oh,
I'm so sorry.
She's looking.
I don't see them. Over there.
Are you actually? Oh.
No.
Dang.
Stop. What kind of thing?